In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero, so your customers can pay you quickly and without confusion. Adding your bank details directly to your invoice template is one of the most important steps in getting paid on time, and the good news is it only takes a few minutes to set up. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and at the end, I'll show you how to check that everything is working correctly. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your Xero account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the very top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see your organization name, which is the name of your business in Xero. Click on your organization name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control different configurations for your organization. Once you're inside the settings area, look toward the right-hand side of the screen and click Invoice Settings. This is where you manage the layout and design of your invoice templates. After clicking Invoice Settings, you may see your available invoice templates listed. Again, on the right-hand side, click Invoice Settings to open the template options where you can edit the details that appear on your invoices. Now choose the invoice template you are currently using. Click Edit next to that template. Inside the template editor, you'll find different sections that control what appears on your invoice, including branding, payment terms, and the payment advice section. To add your bank details, locate the payment advice section. This is typically where customers look for instructions on how to pay you. In this section, enter your bank name, account number, sort code, BSB, or any other relevant banking information depending on your country. Make sure all the details are accurate, as even a small mistake could delay your payment. You can also add additional payment instructions, such as referencing the invoice number when making payment. Once you've entered your bank details, click Save to apply the changes to your invoice template. That's it for the setup. Now let's quickly check to make sure everything worked correctly. Go back to your main dashboard. In the top right menu, click the plus icon, the plus sign symbol. From the drop-down options, select Invoice to create a new invoice. You don't need to send this one, we're just using it to preview the layout. After the invoice page opens, look toward the bottom of the screen and click the Preview button. This will show you exactly how your invoice will look to your customers. Scroll down to the bottom of the preview page and look under the Payment Advice section. You should now see your bank details clearly displayed there. If you can see your bank information under Payment Advice, congratulations, you've successfully added your bank details to your invoice in Xero. This small change can make a big difference in helping you get paid faster and making your invoices look more professional. And that's how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Xero tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.